here at Maginhawa. Look at the celebrities who came here. And it's been recognized by Coconuts. We are at Maginhawa for light dinner and we have a special guest. It's Gizmo. What are we having? Snack Shack. Let's check out the menu. There's sides, wings, buy one get one burgers, and Hungarian sausage. There's also barcata provo, grilled chicken burger, buy one get one with Gizmo. What are we getting? Special request of Gizmo is cheeseburger deluxe and Hungarian sausage, buy one take one with iced tea. Let's eat!